Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Advanced B-Complex Ultra, 60-time release tablets. Product Overview Description. The most advanced B-complex available ultra-vegan non-GMO gluten-free MyBlueprint absorbable dietary supplement GMP Manufacturing quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Advanced B-complex ultra provides the best form of B vitamins in a time-released formula, for optimal results. Suggested use. Take 1 tablet 1 to 2 times daily with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, hyprolose, xanthan gum, gum arabic, glycerin, silicon dioxide, dicalcium phosphate and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician if you're pregnant or lactating or if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. People sensitive to nicotinic acid may experience flushing of the skin that is generally mild and transient. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.